Okay, guys, you see the markets going lower right now. It wasn't like that a long time ago.
Brick
Market
setup.
just hanging there. We see the delta. Okay, this is the delta momentum, guys. This is a free indicator that you can get it anywhere. The delta momentum, and you see the buyers. There were nowhere to be found, even though the market pushed up. But there were no buyers, guys. No buyers. So we're gonna give it some room here. Let's see if the market can continue. Nasdaq just stalled here a little bit, but still the delta to the Nasdaq is huge, down. Lots of sellers piling in. Okay, we see the S. You see these S are from speed bars. These bars took very little to form, so and with correlation, so they are in a hurry. Okay, we see an imbalance here. That confirms that the shorts are taking place. We are below the 2 ATRs. Remember, 2 ATRs. If we are not below both ATRs or above both ATRs, no, it will not work. And the Nasdaq has to be in conjunction. See buyers in the Nasdaq, but still no follow through. Yes, still going lower. We see sellers keep on selling, guys. Okay, market starting to move down. Nasdaq has not been able to go higher from here. As you can see, the buyers are very little.
Short signal yes.
We have an aggressive arrow to the downside. Big sellers in the tape, piling up, guys. increasing negative delta. This diamond is from the delta momentum, okay, to the first profit. So it's a free trade now, guys. So I have the delta in minus 2000. Okay, if it goes below 2000, it will plot a diamond. So you don't need to look at the chart, so you already know. Okay, there you go. Look at the sellers in the tape. We have 10 prints in the same second. So that's a lot of trading. Okay guys, I'm out. I don't think this thing is gonna, maybe it can get crazy and reverse, I don't know.
Brick setup.
Okay guys, so that was it. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. Thanks for watching.